Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today a pork loin, a tender and juicy cut of meat, but it needs a little attention. We can use injection as a great ally. Let us start. Let us take the injection syringe from our kitchen tools. Let us also take the needle with more holes. It lets us inject the liquid more evenly. Now we prepare the injection. I used apple juice. I used meat broth. I used melted butter. I used soy sauce. I used a few drops of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. This is my first injection. Let us try to inject the meat. I suggest you do this in a tray. This will collect the liquid that comes out. After the injection, let the meat rest. Let it rest overnight in the fridge. For a first injection, it went well. Surely the technique needs improvement. After the rest, we can cook. The barbecue is full of cherry pellets. The barbecue is reheating to reach 150 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, we rub the meat. First, we coat the meat with a mix of water and mustard. This acts as a binder for the rub. Now we do a first light layer of aromatic rub. Next, we sprinkle all the meat well with the pork rub. Okay, the meat is rubbed. We are almost ready. We insert our probe to check the internal temperature. Now we can put our pork loin to cook until it reaches 68 degrees Celsius internally. We check how the cooking is going and see it is getting a nice red color. The probe tells us that 68 degrees Celsius has been reached. To be safe, we do another check with the second probe. Temperature reached. We have finished cooking and now we will let it rest for a few minutes. We turn off our barbecue. The rest is done, we can taste it. The meat is very tender and full of juice. The injection definitely did its job. Tea has a nice outer crust with a touch of spice that makes you want to eat another slice. What do you think of this recipe? Tell me in the comments. Do not forget to follow the page to help it grow.